All right, guys, let's talk about unit rates. First of all, a rate is a ratio of two quantities using different units. Some examples of rates are 80 miles in 4 hours, or 50 students in one class. A unit rate compares a quantity to one. Unit rates always have a denominator of 1. Some examples would be 20 miles in 1 hour, or 25 students in one class. To find unit rate, we write the rate as a fraction. Using division. So it's important to know your basic multiplication and division facts. So we use division and write an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 1. So for the example, it says it gives us a rate of 90 miles in 2 hours. So the unit rate would be 45 miles in 1 hour. So let's do some examples. So 120 miles in 3 hours. We would divide 120 by 3. And 3 goes into 120 40 times. So it'll be 40 miles in 1 hour. Okay, so we go 40 miles in 1 hour. All right, 100 pages in 4 hours. We would divide 100 by 4 and we get 25 pages in 1 hour. Okay, so that will be our unit rates. $250 for 5 pairs of shoes would be $50 for 1 pair. And then 6 vacations in 3 years will have a unit rate of 2 vacations in 1 year. So let's recap. A rate is a ratio of two quantities using different units. A unit rate compares a quantity to 1. And unit rates will always have a denominator of 1. To find the unit rate, we write the rate as a fraction. And then using division, we write an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 1. For example, 90 miles in 2 hours will have a unit rate of 45 miles in 1 hour because we would divide 90 by 2 to get 45. Those are your notes.